one more. Over here. You
Never
get
had no goats though.
I mean, he's like absolutely like no fear whatsoever. So actually, video, no fear whatsoever. Until Dad, you don't have any fear of him. Like you don't have any fear of him. What's his favorite animal out here?
He likes the goats, I guess.
Like the goats, okay. He also likes these things. These are goats.
Yep. Here, one more.
What's that, carrot?
Yeah.
So again, you don't mind because this goes on YouTube.
It's all good.
Ryan? No, that's Rowan.
Roll.
Hold it.
I'm gonna sneak by you. Okay.
Feed him some more.
Are those some hungry little animals, Rowan?
Sam's in there.
Rowan?
Rowan.
Rowan?
Hey, she's looking at you. Look. Look at her.
It's okay, he's busy working. Rowan? Are they hungry? Oh my gosh, this whole little hand just went in their mouth. Oh my gosh. I'd be so scared.
Oh, you want more for him? Do someone else?
He ain't afraid of.
Yeah, not at all. Not at all. Not at all. It's so cute, okay.